See the 11th one. Find the equivalent resistance in the given circuit. So this is the circuit diagram. These two are in parallel. These two are in parallel. First of all, we need to get this one. So this is voltage. You can get from right side to left side. Right side to left side we have to calculation. So these two are in parallel means. So what is this entire resistance? Rp is equals to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 1 by Rp is equals to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. That is 4 LCM 1 plus 1. That is equals to 2 by 4. 2 ones, 2 twos. So 1 by Rp is equals to 1 by 2. Rp is equals to 2. So this entire resistance how much? 2 ohms. So these 2 ohms, these 2 ohms, these 2 ohms. That means the circuit like this. Here one of the resistance, here one of the resistance, and here one of the resistance. These 3 resistance are connecting it 10 volts. So 2 ohms, 2 ohms, 2 ohms. Why this called 2 ohms means this is 4 into 4 by 4 plus 4. That is in parallel can get in, these two can be series. So that's why when how much we can do 2 means like this. 1 by Rp is equals to 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. So many students are not get this answer also. I don't understand. See, so 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 means 2. So 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6. So R equivalent is equals to 6. V is equals to 10. V is equals to 10. We can get the find I in next problem. Find the current I from the above circuit. So easily I is equals to what? V by R. So V means 10 and R equivalent means 6. So 2 3s are 2 5s are. So 3 of 5 means 3 1s are 3 and 2 will get 1.0. 3 6 are 18. 2 will get again 0. So 1.66 amperes. C is the right answer. Simplify is very easily and you get very easy score to get. Okay. See the next one. Find the current I in given circuit. This is circuit diagram. So these all are in series, but this 4 ohms across the 4 ohms will be should be going on here. So that means these 4 and 4 will get in parallel. These two are in parallel. So we can get first of all this one 4 into 4 by 4 plus 4 means in previous problem we can get 2 ohms. So this one can be cancelled. Now 1 ohm, 2 ohms, 3 ohms, 4 ohms are in series. So 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 ohms are equivalent. V is equals to how much? 12 volts. Then I is equals to V by R. So V by R means 12 by 10. 12 by 10 means what? 1.2 amperes. So B is the right answer. Easy problems, but you can't get the answers not well. See the 14th one. Find the potential across 5 ohms resistance. See, this is the different problem. You can get, see here, 2 ohms, 5 ohms, 5 ohms. So voltage is 9 volts. So here 2 ohms, 5 ohms resistance, 5 ohms resistance. First of all, you can get these two resistance are in parallel. You can go with one resistance. So 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. 1 by Rp is equals to 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5 means 5. 1 plus 1 that is equals to 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Or else 5 into 5 by 5 plus 5. Easily. 2 by 5 means how much? 5 of 2. 0.4. 1 by Rp is equals to 0.4. 0.4 means Rp is equals to 1 by 0.4. That means 10 by 4. 2 ones, 2 twos, 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means what? How much? 2 of 5. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. So 1 remaining 2.5. 1 by Rp is equals to. That means Rp is equals to how much? 2.5. Simplification. That means 5 into 5. Direct RP is equals to 5 into 5 by 5 plus 5. 25 by 10. That means 2.5. This is a shortcut. I understand. This is the formula basic, but this is the shortcut. This is also formula only. RP is equals to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Clear? So the entire these two resistance come will getting in 2.5 ohms resistance. This is 2 ohms. This is 2.5. This is 9 volts. Now what should be the resistance? R equivalent is equals to these two are in series. 2 plus 2.5, that is equals to 4.5 ohms. Now V is equals to 9 volts. What is the I? V by R. So simplify. 9 by 4.5 is equals to 90 by 45. 45 ones, 45 twos. I is equals to 2 amps. I is equals to 2 amps. Now what should the potential difference across 5 ohms resistance they are asking. In the question, what is he asking here? Find the potential across 5 ohms resistance. So these 5 ohm resistance or these 5 ohm, anyone you have taken as 5 ohms resistance. What is the potential across this one? So we need get, but these two are in, we can get R equivalent is equals to 2.5. R equivalent is equals to 2.5. Let's see here. So here 9 volts V. So these two are in series means current is same but voltage is different. These 2 ohms carry some potential difference. These 2.5 ohms carry some potential difference. So first of all, these 2 ohms carry what is the potential difference? So V is equals to IR. So I means what? I we have to find how much? 2 amps. Am I right? 2 amps. 2 into 2 how much? 4 volts. This for 2 ohms. What is the 2.5? V is equals to, so I into R. So I is same 2 into 2.5. That is equals to how much? 5. So here 2.5 ohms carrying 5 volts. But here 2.5 ohms becomes 5 of 5. ఈ రెండు ఫైల్ కలుపుకుంటేనే మనకి 2.5 వచ్చింది కాబట్టి సో ఒక 5 వోల్ట్స్కేమో దీనిలో కొంత వోల్టేజ్ ఆఫ్ అవుతుంది, ఒక 5 ఓమ్స్కేమో ఈ 5 వోల్ట్స్లో కొంత వోల్టేజ్ అవుతుంది. అంటే రెండు కామన్ కాబట్టి దీన్ని మనం ఏం చేసుకోవచ్చు, 5/2 చేసుకుంటే ఎంత వస్తుంది? 2.5 volts. Easy to share. Are you understand? So here 5 ohms carrying 2.5 ohms. Why? Because these two are in parallel connection. These two are in parallel connection. We can get the one resistance, that is 2.5 ohms. These 2.5 ohms carrying how much voltage? 5 volts. These 5 volts is distributing between these two 5 ohms resistance, this 5 ohms resistance. See here, this 5 ohm resistance and this 5 ohm resistance. So that's why here carrying 4 volts, here carrying 2.5, and here also 2.5. So that's why what is the answer now? 2.5 volts. Are you understand or not? So if this problem cannot be understand, you can give me the reply. Okay, let's see this one. This is also very easily. Find the equivalent resistance across two ends A and B. This is A, this is B. So in between A and B, the parallel resistance are 2 ohms, 2 ohms, and 2 ohms, 2 ohms. First of all, this parallel resistance you carrying on 1 ohm. That means 2 into 2 by 2 plus 2. That means how much? 4 by 4. That is equals to 1. So this carrying how much resistance? 1 ohm. And also this carrying how much? 1 ohm. So what is the circuit diagram? See here. This is only circuit diagram. A, B, 1 ohm and 1 ohm. So these two are in parallel again. Again you have to need formula 1 into 1 plus 1 by 1 into 1 by 1 plus 1. That means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means how much? 0.5 ohms. So A is the right answer. Simplifications you can't get the answers, man. Everyone, boys or girls. So here 1 unit means in electrical energy is 1 unit 1 kilowatt hour. So somebody or not get this answer also. And 1 kilowatt hour is equals to 3.6 into 10 to the power of 6 joules. 1 kilo. See here, 1 kilo means 1000. 1 hour means what? 3600 seconds. So how much? 3.6 into 10 to the power of 5. 10 to the power of 6. Sorry. Clear? P is equals to formula VI. See answer. SI unit of power, joules per second. Joules per second. The electrical lamp rated 100 watts, 220 volts in electric main supply. Find the current drawn by the lamp from the supply voltage. What is the formula? P is equals to VI. Current we have to find it. I is equals to P by V. What is P here? 100 watts. What is V here? 220. 0, 0 cancel. Now how much one? 11, 5. 5 by 11. I understand all of you. So for this question paper you must need the answers, and everyone you should get you can write your notebooks from this examination question paper, and you have to get the calculation part, and you have to be maintain a fair notebook also. Clear? So I want to give one more discussion topic is remaining. From tomorrow class I will be explain the topic, and after else, and again I repeat some important circuits, some important problems, and again I will be wish to you to enter the electricity chapter only for this weekend examination. You have to be get preparation for the electricity chapter. Are you understand? Thank you.